Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with MailerLite for landing pages that rank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the MailerLite website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address and create a password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from MailerLite. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Complete the setup questionnaire to help MailerLite tailor your experience. Provide your name and company details. Choose a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free plan option if preferred. Once your account is set up, log in to the MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the Sites tab in the top menu. Click on Create Landing Page. Select a template from the available options or start from scratch. Customize your landing page using the drag and drop editor. Add text, images, and forms to engage your audience effectively. In the Settings panel, give your landing page a unique name and URL. Optimize your landing page for SEO by adding relevant keywords and descriptions. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. Share the URL of your landing page across your marketing channels to drive traffic. Regularly monitor your page performance through MailerLite Analytics. Adjust your strategy as needed based on the data you collect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.